Hi, Paul. Hi, Rebecca. This is Louis here at Up SEO. Just giving you your technical audit on your website, victoriasjobsearch.co.uk. So just wanted to sort of dive right in and keep this video as short as possible for you, as I understand you could be quite busy. So we're going to run through our technical analysis. Now what we use here is a system that goes through your website. It scans everything. And it just ensures that everything it can be optimized to its full potential, and it also tells us what needs to be done and how you can kind of go about it. Now, I believe that this is your website. We have been searching through, and I noticed personally that you have built the website on WordPress, which is a content management system. It's the most widely used for websites nationwide and worldwide. So it's a very, very good platform to be on, and it's great for optimizing on the search engines. So here is just an average score of your website. Now, although it doesn't look too good, it's actually performing quite well in some places, but it does need a bit of help in others. So we're going to run through these in a quick breakdown. So we've got usability. Usability is basically when a customer or an employee, someone's looking on your website to find themselves a job. They want to see how friendly it is on each device. We understand that people mainly use mobiles now, so that's quite a biggie. But many of us still do use laptops. Quite a few people will tend to use like an internet cafe, libraries, and they'll all be desktops because people just sort of tend to find it easier to look on a big screen as opposed to sitting on a mobile. Mobile, you've got more distractions going on, text messages, WhatsApps, so it might not be the best place for a job hunter to be going. The speed of the website on mobile is 87%. Now, this is considered okay. It's not the best. Normally, we'd expect it in the 90% plus region, and we'd expect the same for desktop. Now, desktop's extremely poor. Needs to be done as soon as possible. So this is something that needs to be taken a look at. Your website needs to be minified. JavaScript, CSS, that can all be minified. So you might find that just by doing that, it could increase these two speed levels here, which would be great for you. Google Analytics, unfortunately, it didn't pick up anything on your system. So if you have got it, there could be something there that could be blocking it. If you haven't, I would strongly recommend getting this. This will tell you what people are doing when they're accessing your website, what pages they're viewing, and what pages they're using to get to and from. So, for instance, they might log on to vjs.co.uk, and then they might click job search, then type in something, and Google Analytics will basically tell you how they're finding these things, or if they're going straight to the job posting directly from Google. The security of the website is really good. You've got an SSL certificate. This is very very good because Google will not allow you to access the websites. So basically, you wouldn't be able to access your website on Google Chrome if you didn't have an SSL certificate. The HTTP is still being allowed though. So what we recommend doing is forcing HTTPS on some of them because some people might still make it through to that HTTP site. Google don't really like sending people to this just because it's unsafe. Coming down, this is your organic traffic. So this is where we really want to concentrate on. This will help boost you up in the rankings. We can specify some certain keywords and figure out exactly what's going on and how we can help it. Now, the technical SEO, which is this little bit here, this just figures out if you've got a sitemap, which you have. It's great. The sitemap works really well. I've already been over it myself. The robots.txt is also really good. Ignore this. This just means that if something couldn't be retrieved, it wouldn't get it. Your headings are problematic. The headings that you've got on there, they are not optimized at all. So this is something that really needs to be taken a look at. This is your biggies, which are right here. None of the pictures have alt tags. So if people are searching on Google Images for whatever reason, they might accidentally click it. Construction jobs or something. It's rarely that people do, but they're going to find their way to your website, and any traffic is good traffic for you, even if it's just to snatch one of your images. The title for the actual website itself, which is just the main homepage, the main title of it, it's acceptable, but it can be optimized, which means that we can put certain keywords in there that we're looking to rank for, jobs, construction jobs, project manager jobs. There's plenty in there that we can use. We really need to use this to our full advantage here. This is quite a big thing here. So this really does need to be taken a look at. Backlinks are another a high sort of possibility of you getting higher ranks. Now, Moz is a very well-known sort of brand in the SEO. Moz ranking is only a 2. Now, creating lots of backlinks with domain authority pages will help increase this Moz score, and it will build you up in the search rankings, not just with the keywords. It could probably do it just on its own as well. It means that you're getting traffic pulled from many different sites, and it will all pull into one, and they can all visit your page from there. The organic traffic is 7 characters in your title, so there's only 7 characters. Normally we go for about 70 characters, so this is something that needs to be sort of amended and brought up to speed. Headings, only 1 H4 heading has been found. Now, Google actually used this to find out what actual keywords you are trying to rank for. Now, if the H4 headings are not there, then it doesn't really know what it's doing. At the moment, it's got no keywords that we could find at the moment that you're ranking for, because there's no keywords on your website. So that is something that really needs to be sorted out just to get the SEO where it needs to go. These are some of the authority links that you've got to your website, which are just Harvey Hideout, Wedding, Guestbook. These could all be completely pointless backlinks for some reason. And it looks like they might have just been placed there just because they've been placed there for whatever reason. There's probably no link saying that you guys are actually a job search. It's probably someone just spamming your link on anywhere that they can get it. Paid traffic. Now, this is a biggie for you guys because you're in the job industry and sort of like a recruitment firm and job post classifieds advert website. You kind of need to be at the top, and sometimes the paid adverts are your best way of getting some instant results. Not only are they instant, but they're instantly trackable as well. So, although many people go to Monster, Indeed, and Read, all your big job sort of panels, we need to give them a really good reason to come to you, which will be like a personalised job search. We really need to sort of hone in on something like this. So paid traffic could be a solution for you, but at the moment, the organic really needs to be taken a look at as well, because the organic will end up covering this in the future. So paid traffic would be great if you're looking to get some instant results, but if you're looking for some long-standing, to get lots of people from Google and get more people for less money, SEO will be your way forward. So social activities, really good. You're fantastic at this. Everything's been brilliant. You got over 1,000 likes on Facebook, 1,000 followers on Twitter. Just keeping regularly engaged will help you keep on building that. So the more people that you engage with on Facebook, a lot of people on Facebook are either looking for a job change, and they're all individuals. A job is relatable to almost everyone that's on Facebook, unless they are retired, of course. So this is a really good place for you just to send out. Your average engagement is 0 likes and 0 comments per post. So you need to post up some more engaging stuff. Good tip for that would be how to write a CV. Many people still don't know how to write a CV, so could be a good opportunity to educate some people. Once they've completed it, you could ask them to say, look, can you send us your CV that you've done? We'll take a look over it and add it to our system. Then hey ho presto, hopefully a job comes up for this person. You can give it to them. You've successfully put this person in employment, and your client, the actual employer, will end up paying you your commission and hopefully give you some more people. It's all about the refined search, and I think that you can get a lot from Facebook to actually get that. So, but you're wondering who I am. So, my name is Louis. I'm an SEO consultant and also the director of Digital Dream. Now, we design and build websites for many customers around the world. We range everywhere from the UK to America, Canada, right the way down to Australia as well. So, we've done many websites. We're helping many people rank at the moment in the search engines. So we've got everyone from roofers to pharmaceutical, right the way over to just ebook sellers who are just selling some ebooks. We're helping everyone rank as high as possible. Now, luckily for you, we did have one of the job search websites with us. Luckily for you, their contract is now finished. They're ranking quite high, but they're just in the NHS side. So we are allowed to take on another job website, and we feel that your one does not collide with that in any way. And obviously we have put this over to the other people, and they're happy for us to take on you, if you was interested, of course. So my qualifications, I've been doing this for the past 6 years. We've helped many people. We've built up lots of reputation, and I believe that we can help you as well. Just so you've got an idea of the keywords that we can really help rank for. This here is an average monthly search rate on Google. So this is just in, obviously, the UK alone. So project manager jobs, 8,000 people a month are searching for this. Along with construction jobs, another 8,100 people are searching for that as well. Health and safety jobs, 5,000. Facility management, 3,000. Construction, project management, and another sort of almost 2,000. So there is over 20,000 people here that you're missing entirely by not having these keywords in your website. If you had these in there, 20,000 people would hit your website. They'd see it, and we'd accept about 5% of those that would actually click through and go, let's take a look at this person's website. So we would aim for a 5% click-through rate, and obviously over the 20,000, that's a substantial amount of people that will be coming through to your website, and it could make the world of a difference whether you fill a job position before your competitors or before the employer takes it away. So this is something that you really need to sort of take into account. There's lots of tools on the internet that can do it. You're more than welcome to have a crack at it yourself after this video, if you feel you can. If you do need any help, I'm available. If you give us a quick call, my number will be placed on the bottom of the PDF document, which I'll be sending you, 0333 301 0164. Or you can email me at info@seo.co.uk. You can visit our website, which is upseo.co.uk. And also we do have digitaldream.co.uk. So it's digital-dream.co.uk. Check out all of our work. Our Bark reviews are currently 5 stars. We've not upset anyone. We don't intend to in the future. Also, our Google and Facebook reviews are also at 5 stars. We do our best to help every single client that we can, and we haven't let anyone down yet. We don't intend to in the future. So if you are interested in our SEO services, give us a quick call and we can run through it a bit more. Anyway, thank you for your time, and I hope that you found this video useful.